To change the button text, enter in our activity main, layout editor, select our button, and in attributes find text attribute, and instead button add, for example, role, and then press enter. We have role text, but we have yellow warning hard-coded text. It means that it's harder to translate our app to other languages, and it's harder to use this text from other parts of our application. Android Studio has an automatic fix of this warning, of this problem. Click this yellow triangle, and in the bottom of this message, click Fix button. It means that we take our text role and create string resource called role. We can name it, for example, role AM, role activity main, and we save this resource in strings XML file. Okay, we haven't yellow warning about hard-coded text, and notice that the attribute text for our button is string/role am. We have role text on our button and our string point XML file in values. Click values and then double-click strings. And we see two string resources, role am and app name. We can change our app name here. For example, delete space. Then let's change our text. Choose our text view and let's make it bigger. For this, find text size in common attributes and change it, for example, 34. That's okay, and we can make it bold. But we don't need to have hello world text, and in the text field delete it. But we need to have a result of dice roll. We can add it in text with settings. It is for coders, not for users. And to see how it will be in our app, we can set, for example, 5 in this field, click enter, and it will be 5 for coders, not for users. Let's start our application. We have only role button, but if we tap this button, nothing happens. And in the next lesson, we will write some Kotlin code to roll the dice and update TextView. See you soon!